Hello and welcome to the session Enhancing Writing Using Strategic Reading Behaviors. Before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Molly Gallagher, an ELA coordinator through Erie One BOCES.
And I am Cheryl Dodds, an ELA facilitator at the Clinton, Essex, Washington, and Warren County BOCES. Today, we will be exploring several research-based reading behaviors and strategies that will enhance your students' writing. Please note that the book guiding our learning today is the second edition, Handbook of Writing Research, edited by Charles A. MacArthur, Steve Grant, and Jill Fitzgerald.
Our learning intentions for today are to review the 3 cognitive models as discussed by MacArthur, Graham, and Fitzgerald, and the research findings, to dig deeper into 4 strategies, and to reflect on the implications for instruction. Our session will be in a playlist structure. You will explore topics that include an overview, 4 reading behaviors, and a closure. Each will have a writing opportunity, a strategy, and implications for instruction. Aligned to each topic is a video that will guide you through the content and tasks. We have also included links to the presentation and note catcher under the first set of links. Please note that these should be completed in the order they are listed. To move on to the next topic, you must view the video aligned with that topic and respond accordingly in your note catcher. Even though these notes are just for you, they will assist you in completing the tasks throughout the session and the final culminating activity for completion credit.
The writing-reading connection. As you review the following clip by Steve Grant, reflect on ideas, words, or phrases that resonate with you.
There's a very strong relationship between reading and writing. There's 3 ways of thinking about this. Reading and writing are both functional activities that can be used to accomplish a task. The second way of thinking about it is that reading and writing draw upon the same skills, knowledge, and processes in terms of being able to read, comprehend text, and in terms of being able to write text. Another way of thinking about this is that when you write, if you're doing it the right way, you have to think about your reader. So there's this connection between writing and making sure that your reader comprehends. And when you read, it's helpful to think about the author behind the text as well. So there's these very close connections between them. And in fact, teaching one helps the other. However, neither by themselves are sufficient. Just teaching reading doesn't make for a great writer, and just teaching writing doesn't make for a great reader. We want to take advantage of how they overlap, but we need dedicated time of instruction for both. There's a very strong